Hey guys, welcome back. This is a tutorial about sessions, and a session is used to transfer data from page to page, or say when a page refreshes, because as you know, every time a page loads, the data is reparsed, and a session can pass data from page to page. Okay, so a good way to show you, let's just end the PHP tags and create a link. I'll just call that other page. I've already made the file here, and I'll just make a link back to the index page. So what we do to start a session, we type session start, and the next thing we do is let's use the super global session, and let's give a little name here. Let's say user equals Jimmy. Okay, and if we refresh the page, hmm other page index. So our session started, but we can't see it. Go to the other page, and since it's a separate page, you want to do session start once again, and echo session user. And as you see, Jimmy, we passed it along the other page, and the session will stay consistent as long as you just keep it going. Um, One thing you'll want to know is in your PHP INI file, your session save path. This is where PHP saves your sessions, and what that looks like is this, and it looks like a crazy looking file, but if you look inside, all it is serialized data, and you don't really need to worry about serializing and unserializing right now. There's also something called session name, and you see it here, and what you can do depending on your settings is type question mark PHP session ID and take your session here and type it in there, and you can hijack someone's session. So a good suggestion might be to um, regenerate the ID by doing session regenerate ID. And what this does is you see this temp folder. Let's go back and forth a few times, and you see we have a new ID every time. And I guess you could imagine this is going to get kind of full if you had like 200 users, and kind of ridiculous. Um, these will delete themselves after they expire, but if you want to keep things a little tidier, just pop in the word true, and this will delete it, the old one, after it renames it. So let me just delete all these. Click back and forth a few times, and F8K, see these letters? Refresh a couple times, and you see it changes. It just makes it harder for someone to hijack your session. If you want to destroy a session, you would do session destroy. Um, let's make a link and just do destroy, and we'll do if is set we request destroy session destroy. Okay, and the session was destroyed now. If you want to see if that's working, try to put in a session super global. Well, it looks like it did not work. So, oh, that's because right up here, it's starting it and then destroying it and still setting the user. So this would probably work in a different circumstance, like this. If session destroy is not set, then we um, you know um, I think that makes sense. And so sessions are good, and pretty basic to use. You can store a lot of things in them, and that should help you get started with sessions.